Hello viewers, are you experiencing Instagram settings and activity back button not working problem? Here you can see my Instagram account settings and activity back button not working. Clicking on the back button you will out of Instagram. In this tutorial I will show you how to fix it. So let's start. For solving this problem, first of all you need to update your Instagram apps. So go to Play Store, click on search bar and search Instagram. From here, update your Instagram apps if available any update version. After completing update process, now tap and hold Instagram apps. Now click on app info or I button. Scroll down, click on storage. Now click on clear cache. Go back. Click on force stop. Click on OK. Now go back to home screen. Restart your phone. After this process, hopefully your problem solved successfully. Thanks for watching. Stay connected for more updates.